Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix the SIMS 4 error code 123 or 123. This is very simple. I have a series of steps and also another method, but the first thing you have to do is try to relaunch the game. If you have the game opened, you have to close it and then open again, and maybe you will be able to play. But if this doesn't work, you have to repair the game files. How do we do that? Well, you have to go to Steam or go to Origin, wherever you have the game. In my case, I have it on this Steam, and you select the game. In my case, I don't have it installed, so I'm going to show you how to do this with another game. You right click on the game, go to properties, and then you go to installed files and choose the last option, that is verify this game. Files are installed correctly, verify integrity of game files. This takes a few minutes, and once you finish this, you will be able to play again. But if you don't, well, the next thing is to disable any mod. If you have installed recently any mod in the Sims to play with mods, disable them, or go disable one by one and checking if one of them is causing any corruption in your game. And the next step is to update the display driver. Actually, this is very simple. The only thing you have to do is to find in the Windows key device manager. So once you check this device manager, you have to go to a screen and find your graphic card, and you have to update a controller, display controller, and check if your game is working right now. Okay, so and if anything in this list helped you, you have to reinstall the game. You have to right click, manage and uninstall,